My name is Luciano Raso and I work as a water resource management researcher. My current project is about the management of the reservoirs on the Seine River to protect the city of Paris against flood and drought. The Seine River passes through Paris and it's a very nice scene for tourists and citizens, but it also brings a risk with it. There are different studies that show the catastrophic effects of a possible flood in Paris now. And at the peak of disasters, 41 metro stations will be closed, and there will be serious consequences on the economic aspects of and strategic aspects of Paris. What we do for research is using models. A model is a mathematical representation of reality. So what you do is to make experiments on a simplified version of this world, which is this mathematic model, and you see what happens when you do some specific thing. To carry out our research, we don't just stay in our office, but we have to get out and talk to the actors involved in the water system to understand what they need, what are their worries, what they want to protect. Water is in fact a common resource. You need what the experts call integrated water management. Integrated means that you have a system thinking approach. As Galileo Galilei said, you cannot pick up a flower without disturbing a star. So, which means that everything is interconnected, and if you take out water from the groundwater, for example, this will affect the river, and so on and so on. It's also a strategic resource. Water is used for drinking water, for agriculture. So on the same resource, there are many interests going on. And how do you share the water? How do you give right? So there's issue connected to justice, to democracy, to participation. I see my work as a form of commitment to society. What I really like of my job is the freedom you have. And freedom is a necessary condition if you really want to think out of the box, to be creative, to think different, to come out with creative solutions that can bring on the front of research. The world becomes more and more complex and new societal and environmental challenges arise. There's also new technology coming. Our role as a researcher is to develop and use this new technology to give an answer to the existing challenges and the new ones.